Cam's bragging about his wiring job because used to look like a bird's nest.
I mean, I didn't have anywhere to really run that.
Boy! Oh boy! Alright, here we have Alex, the Southern Showstopper. Let me show you guys something real quick. He recently just got 14 wides with 36s. Thick.
Thicker than a Snickers.
Thicker than a Snicker. So what we got going on here today is we are going to be, it's about time, installing JW Motorsports Co. rock lights. These are the premium ones. I'm also gonna mix match the regular, yeah, there it is. And one thing to keep in mind, I will show you guys in the video, the temperature on these rock lights and my premium rock lights are slightly different. These are pure white and this one is cooled white. But the reason why I'm combining these two is when they come down, it actually makes a really crisp white, and I really like the way they look, and it makes the truck super bright. So we're gonna do one big one in the middle and two small ones on the side, and we'll probably do for the cross member, we'll be doing one in the middle and then one big one in the middle and then two small ones on the side. And in about a month or two, we're gonna have McGaughy's lift kit with McGaughy's cross member, so that's really gonna make that pop because McGaughy's cross member is usually gloss black powder coat. Stan came through.
Yeah.
Making my truck look tiny over here.
Tiny, yours is taller than mine.
But look at Stan's truck, making everybody's truck look tiny.
Yeah, that's like the black guy in the locker room.
So we got the wheel liners off. I'm gonna show you guys the other side. I removed the mud flaps on the other side and it looks so much better. Like the truck looks so much taller. I'm gonna figure out a way to get a cap that eliminates that mud flap because I didn't realize how ugly those looked until, well, I removed it. So here's this side, this side. Let me know what you guys think.
And it does. Does even work all the time. Looks like you just washed it.
Got all the zip ties and stuff. Everything all looks really good. All right.
Now Cam's bragging about his wiring job because used to look like a bird's nest.
It did.
So
I'm talking about like my wheel lights.
now he's really proud of his wiring job. So let's take a look.
Yeah, for real. All right. So I got zip ties.
Oh, okay.
And the wires all braided up and covered. So this is the full RGBW wiring harness I built all the way up. So there's no wires under the truck.
All right.
anywhere.
I'm about to get down and look.
Oh, you can't even see the one back here.
All right. John Deere green little brackets. That makes no sense.
We were just doing it for fun. We were just seeing what colors look like.
All right. Let's take a look. All right.
I mean, I didn't have anywhere to really run that.
Boy. Oh boy.
Bruh. Hey,
Boy.
if you ask me, let me ask you a question. What would you do with that?
Alex would not do that.
Well, I mean, I still haven't fixed that. I still have to wait for their box.
Every time you wire something, remember this.
Look.
What would Alex do?
Look, you see this? I still have to wait for their box to send me.
Oh boy. Boy.
Hey, find the Mictuning box.
Boy.
Hey, find the Mictuning boxes though.
McTuning boxes? I don't need to find McTuning boxes. I got that right there.
I know, because I have to replace this. I never did finish it all. I have to do. I'm talking about the wheel lights and the Mictuning lights.
The brackets look good though.
Oh yeah.
There's still a bird's nest. So we're splicing all the wires, or all three of the rock lights, into one. And when Alex is done, it'll look like this. And we're gonna have a little plug. Let's say I'm doing fuel filter or whatever. I can disconnect it. So
Yeah,
that
it's
makes it
waterproof.
easy. Waterproof. For the heat shrink right there.
Heat shrink with silicone in it.
Yep, and the Tessa tape.
Marine grade heat shrink.
Kids.
See, waterproof relay.
Oh, heck yeah.
And this will be the output lead to the rock lights.
All right.
And then we'll do a ground off of the ground stud right here.
All right.
But for now, I can wrap those up so it's done. So if I put the fuse in the fuse right now, in the fuse holder,
Yeah.
your switch should light up and you should have power going to this.
Okay.
Well, after I ground that.
So what I might do is all of this stuff I don't sell, or it doesn't come with the kit that I sell. So I might put a link in the description below where everybody can get the waterproof relay and what else? The switch that I bought, or that you bought, or I bought through you.
So I think what I would recommend to people to do
Yeah.
is go with like a pre-built harness off
Amazon.
Amazon.
They're only like 12 bucks.
Yeah, they're cheap, but the thing I don't like about those, being really finicky as I am, is I cut these to custom length.
That's true.
So if you're, say you have a short cab, you can have all this extra wire, but I mean it's a lot easier to do that. But for me, I'd rather take a little bit longer and have a custom length.
That's true. And also, I mean, for somebody that's
It's gonna be difficult
doing
to
it
do.
for the first time, it'll be confusing. Because I mean, even I've wired a couple things, and to me, it would kind of get a little confusing sometimes.
We could start running lights pretty much.
Heck yeah, let's do it.
Or we could just honestly do one that starts here
Can do a C or something.
and go all the way around. Because we have to go all the way around because we're doing them front bumper, rear bumper, sides.
Yeah.
So we have to go all the way around the truck. It'll pretty much be like start and finish. You'll have like a little gap where there's no wire, but
Okay.
it's gonna wrap around the whole truck. We'll do that.
All right, so
So
go
let me get
here,
started.
run across, and then from here, run back, and then from the back, run across again. So basically, the kit that I sell doesn't come with like this fancy tape, like the heat resistant tape. Oh gosh, this light is like making my camera go crazy. Doesn't come with that, but what I'll do is I'll put everything in the description below that you guys can order. So that way, if you want it to look a little bit more professional, a little bit more fancy, then you can do that. We got every single one of the wheel liners done. So right now, what I gotta do is wire loom about 50, 75 feet of wires. That'll go all the way around the truck. And then we gotta go make some brackets that'll go under the truck. So that way it'll work as like an underglow. Yeah, this has been really fun because it's just very time consuming trying to run a wire loom all the way across, or all the way 75 feet of wires. This is where we're going to take a break. We're going to go head out, go meet up with Armando, get some Wild Wings, and then we'll be right back. Oh yeah, she loud. Long tube headers, right?
Long tube headers, catless white pipe.
Good God.
Borla XR1 muffler, axle dumped.
Starlight. Dang. See, I want to do it, but I don't have the balls to do it. That looks good.
Especially for the ladies.
For the ladies. While they look up.
Yep.
We got a little night light out here, so not really worried about not being able to see anything because we also have this fancy little headlamp too. Got all the wires loomed up, and now we just got to route all the wires across the front, and then this side, and then cut across, and then bring it back around. Oh, nice. So we got 3 wired for the front, for the cross member, and then we got this wheel well. Oh, that's bright. That looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Heck yeah. Just gotta do the rest of the truck now. But the front end is lit.
That's perfect. So the wheel well's right here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, nice.
See, look, you can tell like that's just the advanced beam, and then you add the premium in there. And it's
Oh,
like
yeah.
really good white.
Mm-hmm. That's good. That's a good mixture. So this is just an advanced beam right here, and then with the premium. Oh yeah, looking nice.
I like this button more than mine. Like mine is super bright white.
Yeah.
That's like a headlight halo white.
Headlight halo white. Oh yeah, nice. It's
Really
it's like
subtle.
I like that. Oh yeah, that feels nice too. I like that.
Yeah.
All right. We'll finish up and I'll show you guys the finished product. Quick update. It is currently 2 o'clock in the morning. We got the front and quick change of plans. So it turns out I ran out of my advanced beam rock lights. These I don't quite have enough, and I've actually sold out of all the rock lights that are at my house. So originally we were going to do 4 of the advanced beam on the bottom, but I'm going to have to go back home and get more of my, there you go get more of my premium rock lights, and I'm going to be doing 4 premium rock lights on the bottom, 2 more back there. So yeah, overall we're gonna have what, 4, 8, 10, 14 of the premium rock light. Currently 4:48 a.m. and we got the truck all finished up and it is lit. Look at this rocket ship. Alright, so one thing I do want to show you guys is we mounted a rock light right there. That's the premium rock light. The one that's right here, that's shining straight at the cross member. And then there's one right there shining straight at the cross member. These are the advanced beams. Whenever I do McGaughy's lift kit, this skid plate is going to come off. So right now this rock light is shining straight down. And what that's gonna do whenever we replace the take the skid plate off is we'll either put a bracket there or wrap it around. There's a bar that goes across on the top, and this light is going to shine straight at the cross member as well. So we'll have that light, this light, and this light. So 3 lights shining straight at the cross member, and it's gonna create this really cool crisp white color, and it's gonna really light up that McGaughy's emblem. And also McGaughy's cross member comes with gloss black powder coating, so it's really gonna pop. And there's gonna be some powder coating that I'm throwing on there. I'm not gonna reveal just yet because it's a secret, but it's really gonna pop that lift kit. But yeah, here's a spaceship. If you want to purchase some rock lights, head over to jwmotorsportsco.com and order yours now. If you're not sure about ordering some yet, then go buy you a hat, because every hat is either going to have 5 to 50% coupon included in every order. So if you want to go buy a hat first and then have a coupon and use it later, you're more than welcome to do that as well.